Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read Robinhood level 2 data. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So here is the Robinhood Learning Center or just the blogging center. And basically here it will show us the level 2 markets data in Robinhood. And as you can see, it will be showing as follow. And of course, it depends either you are using the web app or the mobile app. And basically, now you can find or you can see the bidding and asking, which means the supply and demand. And this is the size of the bidding, which means the selling uh, stocks or options or stocks, and those are the asking, which means the buying ones. And this is the size, and of course you might also see the spread. And basically the spread will be only the difference between the bid and the asking, and it will give a difference so you can see if it is in a good uh, position or a bad one, depends on the stock, of course. As you can see here, now you can learn more about how you can see the charts, and as you can see, those are some uh, Robinhood articles, and you can learn more about uh, the charts, etc. But as you can see, all you need to learn or you need to know is just to uh, find the difference between the bidding and asking, and here you will find the size that is being bidded for an option, or I mean for a stock in a time or in a given time. And basically, you will need just to see the volume in asking against the one in the bidding, and then you can start analyzing your stock, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next.